What's up, guys? It's a little bit rainy. We didn't work yesterday. Took the day off. We've been going, I think, probably close to 20 days straight of work. So we took yesterday off. Weather was a little bad yesterday, so that was kind of nice. Just got to mow and get some stuff done around the house that was needed. So we are back here at a house that we've already cleaned, but they did some more work out here. So we're just doing kind of a freshen up on it. Got a little bit of dirt like on the driveway. They had an issue with the concrete, so they actually tore all this out and poured more concrete. So poured new concrete. So we're gonna wash all this and just kind of rinsing the house, getting ready. They have an open house tomorrow, so we're just kind of getting it fresh and ready for everybody to come by and see it. Pretty simple. Like I said, just a quick little rinse, kind of getting all the dirt and stuff off of it. And then we're gonna really hit this concrete pretty good because it's brand new, so it needs it. But that's about it. And then we're gonna go to another house in Waxahachie or Midlothian. I can't remember which one it is. We'll be heading there after this, and then we'll be calling it a day. So pretty easy Friday. I don't know if this will be a video by itself. I know that I have quite a few videos that I need to edit and post, so it may be thrown in one, or this may be its own video, but wanted to kind of bring y'all along. So next week is gonna be another busy one, man. We got two pretty big house washes, pretty big properties that we're gonna be cleaning. So we have one that's going on the market, and then another one that was just purchased. So it's gonna be a lot of like washing with SH. These are existing houses, so they have some algae growth and stuff like that, some organic stuff. We're gonna be doing lots of windows, and like I said, two pretty big properties. So I'll make sure and give y'all a cool video for those. And other than that, man, you know, just same old, same old. We got a couple quarterly stuff coming up that we'll be putting some videos out on, but yeah, just staying steady. So all right, guys, just pulled up to the house, got some food in me. That's gonna be it for the video today, but I wanted to show y'all what what I got coming. So it's pretty sweet. Let me turn you around real quick. So this is the new rack. This is the I don't know if any of you guys are like into this stuff, but this is, I believe it's the PR, I want to say PR 5000. Let me turn this music off so I don't get copyright. All right, so yeah, this is the I believe it's the PR 5000. I went ahead and did the 6-post. Does that make it too blurry in here? So this is a 6-post rack. We did the, these are the 30-inch. I can't remember what size these are, but I went with the clear coat on the steel, and then I did blue just because it's kind of like my business colors and stuff. But I'll put a picture up real quick. And show you what this thing is going to look like once the rest of the parts come in. But I've got oh, check this out. This is a painting that was done live at a church service at our church. And this guy did it upside down and then flipped it over, and it was this. So it's pretty cool. But I've got the weight horns. So these are going to go on the sides. And I'm going to stack my plates on this. I've got to get a barbell for squats and bench press, incline, decline, all that stuff. And then I need a bench, and I need the plates. And then the rest of the machine. So this is probably going to get moved. I want to show y'all this garage so bad. You know what? I don't really care. Y'all will see an updated video. Of course, we just moved in here, you know, a couple months ago. So it's still a little bit messy in here, but I'm slowly turning this place into my little man cave. Pretty cool little spot. So this eventually will have the whole cable system on it. So this is gonna be, it was on pre-order. This is the Rep Aries 2.0. I believe that I'm gonna move this over here. Let me show you real quick. So the wife has all the kids stuff in here as well, but look at all these boxes, man. This is all the stuff that, I mean, there's probably 30 boxes here. My thought is that I'm going to move this cabinet, the detailing cabinet. So I'll show you all that real quick. Boom. So I've got all my special edition and some signed stuff, Boston Wheels, when they collabed with Adams. I got them to sign it before they shipped it off. I've got the 25-year anniversary, Sheepy Racing. I've got a bunch of them, man. I've spent a lot of money on special edition Adams stuff. But anyways, this cabinet, I believe, is gonna go over here on this wall over here. And I think I'm gonna put the rack on this side. So that's kind of the idea. I think the rack's gonna go here and that's gonna go there. And I ordered this on Amazon. It's actually not bad, man. It's a little steam sauna. I think I spent like 180 bucks on it, but been doing it. You zip yourself up in there. I don't know if y'all have thought about getting these, but it's really a pretty good product. So yeah, eventually, like, here's kind of the other side of the garage. I've got, like I said, it's a mess right now. I'm still trying to get everything kind of organized. I started painting this wall. So eventually all the walls in here and all the ceiling, everything's gonna be all black, like these cabinets. It's gonna look pretty cool in here, I think. But yeah, this is kind of like the little chill area. We just watch football, stuff like that if all the women are inside. So got a lot of the window stuff and some other tools and things in here. So some straps, some extra guns, some filters, a bunch of extra squeegee rubbers. We're still kind of like getting settled at this place. So slowly getting there, but yeah, these are some things that I bought. One day I'll have to show you guys kind of the collection, but I've got, oh man, I don't even know how many. So I've got just like tons and tons and tons of baseball cards. I mean, I think this whole book's full. Baseball, football. I think I've even got some hockey in there maybe. But dude, I've got some really cool. Let me see if I can. Where it's at? Maybe it's in here. Oh yeah, there they are. Yeah, so, oh, these are still new ones. I think that might be some old ones. Who's that? Yeah, that's 93. So I've got a bunch of like 80s, 90s, baseball, football, hockey cards, stuff like that in here. One day I might show y'all some of that stuff. But anyways, the point to this video was to show you this rack. And I'm excited about this thing. It's got the pull-up bar. It's gonna have, like I said, the whole cable system where you can do, I'll make another video on this whenever it's complete. But this thing is, if you ever thought about buying one of these Rep systems, man, super, super, super solid. These are 36 millimeter bolt. I mean, they're 1-inch bolts, but the heads on them are 36 millimeter. It's insanely strong built stuff. So even these are just, everything about it's so nice. So I'm gonna start this journey, right? I used to power lift, be in good shape, and I've kind of let myself go over the years of me being in business and stuff. I've kind of slowed down on working out and taking care of myself. You know, we're out a lot and eating fast food all the time, stuff like that. I've recently started wearing a Whoop band, and it's helped me actually track like my sleeping, recovery. So it's actually helped me kind of get back in the groove of like wanting to get in shape. So I may bring you along for like some of this stuff and show you if you want to see it. I don't know. I'm sure there's some people out there that are in the same boat as me. You're just kind of like tired of being out of shape and like, you know, being sore all the time from work and stuff like that. So I'm going to start that journey. I'm going to start doing cold plunges. I just bought a sauna as well. So like a real sauna. I may make a video on that. I'll just tell y'all real quick, because I know there's gonna be some people that are wondering. This system here, the rep system, I did the rep, like I said, I think it's the PR 5000, the 93 inch with the Aries 2.0. This system I think was, I want to say it was like $5,700, something like that. Maybe almost 6,000. So pretty expensive, but I will say, man, a buddy of mine that's another business owner told me about this system, and he loves it. And I'm telling you right now, man, the quality of this stuff, I haven't got the cables and stuff yet, but I've done a lot of research, and everybody says, they rave about them. Everybody says that they're awesome, insanely smooth. Me and the wife are going to start doing that, and then I bought a sauna. I'll put a video of that up right now. It's I believe a 3 or a 4 person sauna that's going to go outside of the garage on the back here, and I'm going to build like a platform for it and stuff. It's a traditional sauna that has like the rocks. It's electric heater, and you know, you have like the ladle with the water. You can make it real steamy and stuff and really hot. It gets up to like 230 degrees if you want it to. That was, I want to say I spent probably $7,500 on that. So that one was a little bit more pricey. I know that not everybody is going to relate with spending that kind of money on this stuff, but I just wanted to kind of get on here and maybe motivate some of you guys that are feeling bad and feeling tired all the time and stuff like that, you know, because that's how I feel, man. I feel that a lot, and I'm right there with you, and I'm tired of it. I'm over it. I'm ready to be back in shape. I used to have the whole 8-pack, you know, I was in great shape. I was benching, I think my normal bench was like 330, 325, 330. I was squatting like 615, and oh my gosh, that's probably why my back is always hurt. I did, you know, years and years and years of powerlifting and stuff like that, and probably not lifting correctly, doing the right technique and stuff like that. So my back's paying for it now, but I used to be in really good shape is my point, and I've let myself go over the course of, you know, the last probably 10 years. And I'm 32 now. I'll be 33 this year, and I'm just kind of like done with it, you know. I'm done with feeling tired and down, and, you know, feeling like crap, looking in the mirror and being like, man, you know, I look fat, whatever. I don't look like I used to. So I'm over it. And I don't know if some of you guys want me to post like maybe some of this journey as well, because I know it kind of gets repetitive, the type of videos that I do where it's just like us on a job site cleaning. So I want to bring y'all along with like maybe a little bit of my life, my personal life, on kind of what I'm doing outside of work, but also that stuff is benefiting my work. So me getting in shape and stuff like that, getting my body back, getting, you know, feeling confident again, and how you look and how you present yourself, and just feeling better in general out there working, and you're not getting sore and not breaking down as fast and stuff, you know. So if y'all want me to bring you along with that process and whatever, that part of my life, because I'm going to do it regardless, but I just figured, you know, if some of y'all want to see that stuff, then I can maybe make some videos on it, and maybe it'll help kind of motivate you. Maybe we do it together, you know. Maybe we start like a group chat or something, and we, you know, all get better together. I don't know what it could be, but I know that I'm just, I'm motivated right now. I'm super motivated. I'm ready to, I feel like in my personal life, if I start taking care of myself and I start really pushing myself to be better, a better version of myself, then the business is also going to be better. I think that translates very well. You know, I think it goes hand in hand. If you're not taking care of yourself in your personal life and you're not taking care of your health, then I feel like your business stuff is going to start slipping. And I'm just not trying to do that, you know? So hopefully this motivates some of y'all. I know I've been wanting to show y'all kind of the inside of here for a while. This is just the garage, kind of man cave slash it holds my kid's little buggy that my wife walks around our property with. Yeah, I'll start painting everything again and getting everything nice. And here in the next couple months, hopefully sooner than that, we're gonna have all of the exterior of the house and the garage and stuff painted. A buddy of mine that has a painting business is gonna do it for me. So there'll be some transformation stuff like on the house part that if y'all want to see some stuff like that too, then I can show you that. But I just wanted to, get y'all's opinion on if you want me to start putting more of like my personal stuff in these videos, or if you just want me to keep it strictly business. If that's what you want to see, if there's like a bunch of comments that are like, no, we don't really care about the working out or whatever. Just, keep showing us the cleaning stuff and business advice, then I'll do that, But I think it's cool for me to get on here and kind of share some of my personal stuff that I'm going through as a business owner, because a lot of that stuff, if you're not already a business owner, if you're, or if you are, and maybe you haven't got to that stage of it yet, right? Where you're still motivated, you're only like a year in, or maybe a couple months in, or maybe a couple weeks in, and you're still like just on fire. And, hopefully it never happens to you, right? Hopefully you don't get to that 5-6 year mark and you're like, oh man, I've put so much into this business and I quit putting work into myself. Hopefully you're able to balance both. And I just haven't balanced both well. So it's time for me to start doing that. I'm ready. I'm excited. And just wanted to show you guys that. I will show you the system whenever it's done. I'll show you the sauna and stuff. And us doing like the cold plunge, me, Ben, a bunch of my friends, we're gonna get together and start working out here and just getting healthier, man. Start eating better and just be some savages. I'm ready to just like, I'm ready to take my personal life and my business life to the next level. And right now I feel super motivated. So hopefully I'm motivating some of you guys. I'll bring y'all back in maybe a couple weeks and show you this stuff if you want to see it. So just wanted to end the video off there. I appreciate you guys watching. Like I said, we're gonna have a busy week. Next week we got a couple house washes, some commercial stuff coming up, and some really cool jobs. So I think some cool videos are coming. Appreciate you guys watching. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.